Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install and use the Japanese keyboard in the computer, then watch this video. So we will change the language of the keyboard to Japanese by right clicking on the start button, clicking on settings, and then we will click on time and language and region, and then we will add a language. But remember one thing folks, when you're adding a language, you need to make sure that the Microsoft version that you have supports more than one language. So I will look for Japanese here, and then I will click on it and click on next, and I'll make sure that all these boxes are checked: text to speech, basic speech recognition, enhanced speech recognition, and handwriting, most important. And then click on install. Now if you saw, my Windows supports only one version, that is English. But if your Windows supports two or more versions including Japanese, then you can download Japanese. Now after the download finishes, you can click on the three radio buttons and click on move up. When you click on move up, this keyboard will immediately change, and everything on the system, the language of the system, will immediately change from English to Japanese, and that should solve the problem. If this video worked for you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.